I was a test knitter for Lightfall sweater by Jeanette Knits, and here are my thoughts on the pattern itself. It's a top-down round yoke sweater with some color work, lots of texture, so purled and twisted stitches together with the color work. The pattern calls either for a DK weight boucle yarn or for a worsted weight yarn, but it's knit at the gauge of 16 stitches per 10 centimeters, so it actually knits up faster than you would expect. I knit size 3 and this sweater took me 29 hours. The pattern is fully size inclusive and it has schematic for the sizes, so you can check if it will work for you. And difficulty wise, I would say that this is either high intermediate or maybe even advanced. Design itself isn't that difficult, but first, if you're working with a boucle yarn, that already adds some challenges. But second, because of the texture, catching floats is a bit harder and some of the knitting techniques won't work with it. In the test knitters group, someone suggested doing like a reverse butterfly float technique. I had never heard about it before, and I think no one else also had. I think it was a genius idea that the person had at the moment. Basically, we left very, very long floats at the first 5 rows, and then we kind of lifted them up as the butterfly stitch and caught them on one stitch. The pattern itself is clear and very well written. It has some short row shaping to get the neckline. It suggests Japanese short rows, and it also has video tutorial for that, which is very helpful. And this bit where you have the texture and the color work is only charted. I personally think that the boucle yarn kind of hides the texture, so I'm very happy that I chose this sort of yarn that's a bit more smoother. And also my girlfriend loved this sweater so much that I have already started another sweater for her. I have swatched it, and her sweater I'll be knitting in the Malabrigo Rios yarn, which is a very, very smooth yarn, and I'm very excited how that will show off all of the gorgeous texture that's going on here. And as I was knitting, I kept thinking that actually you can very easily play around with the chart. You don't really need to make the each repeat as is written. So for my girlfriend's sweater, I plan to randomize it a bit, and I'm very excited about the result that will give. Overall, I am so excited about this sweater. It's such a unique design. It really stands out on the sweaters you are currently seeing around on the social media, on the Ravelry. So I'm very, very happy to have this.